In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the standing Pallof press. This is an awesome anti-rotational movement, which means that you're actually going to be fighting the force to be trying to rotate you. It's a really good way to do rotational training without actually having to rotate the spine, which makes it a really good progression to get you ready for more advanced rotational training. Now make sure you stick around because there's a couple of key pointers that you really want to know about this in order to make sure that you train your core effectively.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Now we're on to the standing Pallof press. This is an excellent way to progress with rotational training without actually having to rotate, so it's a really good option. So what we're going to do is for this one we're going to go down into a semi-horse stance, so about halfway down to a horse stance, and I want to keep a neutral spine. Now a lot of people when they go down into a semi-horse stance they go into flexion of the hips and they go into an anterior pelvic tilt. So the cue is to kind of keep your bum under your body as you go down, okay? And keep the weight even over your feet. You don't want to be leaning over your toes when you do this. Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the Unify Movement System, or UMS, where we make people strong, flexible, and athletic. Now, if you want to know how we do it, grab one of our free downloads. There's a link in the description of this video for the strength blueprint, the flexibility blueprint, or the nutrition blueprint. We've put a lot of work into compiling the 10 key lessons for each of those principles into a downloadable PDF so that you can really absorb the info and apply it to your training and start to see some serious progress. And another thing to consider is to join our private Facebook group, the UMS Movement Mastermind, where we go live daily to record our podcast and answer your questions and provide free coaching for you. It's a really, really good resource. So once we're down in position, I'm just going to grab the band and I want something that really provides a lot of resistance here, so it's trying to pull me that way, but I'm anti-rotating against it. And then from here, I'm just going to push straight forward and back. And as I do that, I can really feel the obliques firing up on my left side, preventing me from being pulled in like this. So that's why we call it anti-rotational training. So just make sure that as you do your reps, that you don't let your arms go like that. If you can't control that, if you feel like you have to resist against it and go like that, then it's too much resistance. You should be able to make it look like you're just pushing straight in and out, but I know what resistance I need, so that's really good for me, and I can really feel those obliques working. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.